San from Curious Moon Design. Now if you've seen the last video, you'll remember I made this lovely sewing journal and made the cover for it out of this fabric I found. I had just enough to make a needle book, so I just want to show you that today. My needle books are all slightly different. I mean, they all have different covers and linings, but I also put different things in them depending on who I might be giving them to. This one I've just made up because I like the fabric, so I've just put things in that I like really. So here we go. I've got some lovely gold pins on this piece of felt, a nice measuring charm there I've sewn on. I've got a needle pack there and a threader and a thread picker. My thimble is there, adjustable one. I've used this lovely antique lace to layer this piece of felt. I've got a little ball pin there, and I've put a hook and eye on there so it's ready to use. Some more pins. I love these gold pins. They're beautiful. They're very smooth to use. A beautiful little daisy button. There's a pocket here which I've put a button card in. Some lovely buttons there. I just sealed them with some tape. I've used some embroidery anglaise there to make a pocket, and I've got some scissors there just on a ribbon, so they're nicely tucked into that pocket. Another card in there, some beautiful big buttons. I go into the charity shops and look through the button tin. Some of them you can buy a pack of buttons for £1, and they give you a little cup to measure out so many. Some beads on here, a little cotton reel on a pin, some lace, another ball pin there with a pearl on, some needles, nice yellow button, and again some lace underneath there layering it, another ball pin with hook and eye, and I've just put these little daisies down here. I actually had those on my bridesmaids' dresses. Must be about 45 years old, I can't quite remember. Till I tot it up. There's some fabric in here. Nice pocket. And some cards in there, nice sewing cards. Beautiful little buttons again. And a tape measure. This pocket I've just folded over because I just love the fabric. I was trying to use as much of it as I could. I've got a little notebook there made up, some fasteners, and another sewing card. So another needle book. Hope you like looking through that one. Now the sewing cards I've used are just ones that I fancied having in my needle book, and because they're so lovely we thought we'd make them available on the Etsy shop. and they're very reasonable. So if you want to use any of these, then just go along to our Etsy shop and you'll see them on there. They print out on sheets like this, and then you cut them out. These are needle packs, so I just cut them out and put some backing paper on them. Just makes them a bit firmer because this is photocopy paper. And you have a lovely needle pack with a picture on the front. So I cut mine out and backed them on card, and they are going to go nicely into my sewing journals or into my needlebooks, which I hand out to friends, family, and strangers sometimes if they want them. And these are button cards. I put buttons on those. They've just got a little image on them. Some more of those. So it's just another pack. We have got a couple of packs on Etsy, but these are just beautiful images. Hope you like them. I'll speak to you again soon when we'll be doing some more crafting with fabric and paper. Bye for now, everyone.